Today's question is one nearly every dancer asks themselves at the beginning of their dance journey. What partner dance should I choose? Salsa, swing, zouk, ballroom? There are tons of exciting options, and it may be a little bit overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through how to find the dance that fits you. Welcome to Dance Brain, the channel where we explore the psychology, connection, and magic of social dancing. First question. How do you want your body to move on the dance floor? Do you like staying in place and working on the groove, like in kizomba or bachata? Do you love traveling across the floor, turning, gliding, spinning, like in ballroom or salsa? Do you enjoy compression and stretch with your partner? A kind of magnetic push and pull, like in West Coast swing or Argentine tango? Do you like to dance big, with expansive arms and sweeping turns? Or dance small, with micro movements and subtle isolations? There's no one right answer. Just notice what feels fun in your body. Dance should feel like a natural extension of who you are. Now, this idea is totally optional, but it's real. Do you like the look and the energy of the dance? I don't mean the body shape. I mean the overall vibe of the dance. The sleek elegance of ballroom, the bold flair of Latin styles, the streetwear flavor of urban kiz. If you don't fully vibe with the clothing and the energy of the dance, that's okay. But if you do love the look, it can boost your confidence and help you feel more connected to the dance. Now, this one is big and probably the most important idea. Music is the heartbeat of the dance. You can learn to enjoy the movement, but if you don't like the music, you probably won't stick with the dance. So ask yourself, what songs do you already listen to on your own? What music makes your feet move, your hips sway, your brain light up with creativity and play? What songs make you dance in the kitchen, the car, the elevator? Don't overthink it. Put on the radio, a playlist, or go on a YouTube binge. Watch people dance, and more importantly, listen to the music they're dancing to. Notice what makes you want to move. That's your signal. I've explored around 8 different partner dances so far. Right now I'm focused on a few, like Lindy Hop, Urban Kiz, and Zouk. But I love the music of all the dances that I do. The beauty is, you don't have to choose just one dance style. In fact, trying multiple dances at once can actually help all your dances. You'll discover what your body loves, you'll become more adaptable, musical, and creative, and you'll never feel stuck. Plus, it keeps things fresh and fun. A bonus tip: try a fusion social. These events are designed for dancers to mix styles, connect freely, and fuse their knowledge. Zouk into tango, bachata into swing. Fusion socials are where the rules bend and your creativity takes over. Lastly, here's the secret most advanced dancers already know. It's not about choosing the best dance. It's about choosing the one that brings you joy. Pick the one where you feel free, playful, connected. The one that makes you laugh mid-dance or forget your stress. The dance style where you lose all track of time and are fully present in the moment. If you found this helpful, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to Dance Brain for more psychology, connection tips, and inspiration for partner dancing. And remember, your body knows what it loves. Just listen. See you on the dance floor.